In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to actually make money online as a student, or even if you're not a student. Yes, so if this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourself. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you. I see the way you like my video. I see the way you like my videos and share my videos. I see you. God bless you. Yes. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper and I know I'm gorgeous. So let me go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves in the comments. My name is Mariam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTuber. I drop 3 to 4 videos every day, 3 to 4 videos every week on my channel. So make it a date. It is the money making channel. I'm your money mogul. I'm your business mogul. On this channel, I share various ways to make money online. Yes, lazy ways to make money, weird ways to make money that no one is talking about, that no one wants to share with you. Yes, so do you know that when I was working in the bank, I was making my salary I was making my salary in one day. I was making my salary in one day as part, which was my side hustle. My side hustle was generating my salary for me in one day. Yeah, so maybe you need a mindset shift and you are in the right place. Don't worry. On this channel, we are here to win and win real big. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. So let's get right into it. How to make money as a student, or whether you're not even a student. Come with me, guys. Let's go and make money together. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go there. Do you know that you can be searching on the web? That's a job. Yes, so are you interested in how to make money fast by doing what you already love to do online? I'm sure this has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online. Oh yeah, head over to qme.com. Yes, so qmee.com. Guess what? They reward you for searching on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. All you need to do is to install a simple browser extension, and sponsored results will show alongside your normal search results. Now, each QME result has a cash reward attached. So if you're interested, just click on it and collect your reward. And you can also complete surveys to top your earnings. Yes, so the best thing is that there is no minimum to cash out. You can cash out your money today. You can start today, earn money today, and cash out your money today. Now, another way to make money is to use Get Paid To sites. Yes, so it's also similar to making money from online surveys. ChatGPT sites rewards you in cash and vouchers for completing various offers or activities online. Now, the most popular websites today include userinterviews.com, toluna.com, swagbox.com, and inboxpounds.com. Yes, so check them out and thank me later. Another way to to make money online is this. You know, you can earn money and help the environment by recycling your old mobile phones and other unused devices. So ask your parents or your friends if they have any device lying around that they don't use and they've forgotten, go ahead and sell it. Guess what? You can also get gigs on Fiverr. Just so you know, Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace and for people to make money selling small services known as gigs. So what you offer could be absolutely anything from writing and translating, social media posting, playing pranks, and teaching, to creating music, voiceovers, and short video clips for people around the world. Guess what? You can set your price to any amount. You can also attach extra services to gigs for more money. So your earnings can actually quickly add up, and there are thousands of people making really good living from the sites. The key is to get a system. In place that minimizes the time that you spend on each gig. There's another way to even profit more from Fiverr for potentially far less work. How? What do you do? You just resell those gigs you resell the gigs elsewhere. For example, so you can find a designer that charges very low, and then you can go you can find a designer that charges very low on Fiverr. Then you go to Upwork and look for someone that is willing to pay a higher amount of money. Then you tell them you're going to get the job done, get the job, send it to the person on Fiverr to do the work, submit it. That's it. Smart ways. You can even, make money without lifting a finger, without doing anything. You don't have to do the job yourself. Yes, do it and thank me later. Have you been thinking of this strategy before now? Oh yeah, subscribe to this channel in case you have not subscribed to this channel yet, and let's start making money together. Another way to make money is to review music for money. Yes, so guys, if you love music, do you know you can make it your business by reviewing unsigned bands and artists online for cash? Yes, so go to slicethepie.com. The money you earn will be paid in United US dollars, but you can sign up and review from any part of the world. Another way to make money is to sell second-hand books. Yes, so hey, do you know you can make good money selling books? Don't sleep on it. So guys, one smart way to actually make extra money is to buy other students' textbooks cheaply at the end of the year. Yes, so then sell them just after Freshers Week. Yes, so this is when the new intake of students know that they actually need these books. So the demand and prices will be very, very high. So you can either advertise on campus or list them on Amazon. Yes, Amazon Marketplace. They take, they actually take a commission on books. But of course, it's a win-win for you. Don't even sleep on these amazing opportunities. I'm telling you. Guys, I'm telling you, like I always say on this channel, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, the day you know where to look, hey, where to find this money, you will never be broke again. There are so many side hustles that you can take up, you can undertake from this day. If this video has actually sparked up some creative juices in you, let me know in the comments. If this video has actually inspired you to think of other ways that actually, other ways that actually resonates with what you can offer right now. Maybe you have immense proficiency in, setting skills. These are things that you can actually offer as a service. So head on to Fiverr.com and begin to Fiverr.com and begin to make money using your skills. Yes, so you can, like I said, money is actually everywhere. You need to know where to look. From my own side hustle, when I was working as a banker, I was earning my salary in one day from my side hustle. So yes, if I can do this, trust me, you can do it too. It only takes a mindset shift, and it takes someone that is willing to take up this, responsibility. So beyond watching this video, I want you to take that bold step today. Check out one or two of these websites and begin to, position yourself position yourself on these websites where you can start to get gigs. Yes, gigs or jobs, and you can start to earn money on a daily basis. Don't sleep on it. There are so many people promise you so many ways to actually make money online, but these are actually actionable steps that you can take to actually make real money from the comfort of your home. Do you also know that, let me add this bonus point, do you know that you can resell, you can flip furniture online? You can buy furniture and then repaint it, or you can get the furniture for free. Go to Facebook Marketplace, get this furniture and then revamp it, paint it. You can go to Home Depot, or you can go to Kohl's. Is it Kohl's? No. Or you can go to what's that one called? Home Depot, or I've forgotten. It's not Kohl's. Yeah, so you can go to Home Depot and then buy paints, spray the furniture, and then resell online. Repackaging, packaging.com. You package it well and you put your own price tag on it, and you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised people will be willing to buy these things from you. I'm telling you. So don't sleep on these amazing opportunities. Oh yeah, tell a friend. Share this video with your friends and your loved ones. And also do well to check out my previous videos where I share weird ways to make money. Yes, weird ways, lazy ways to make money, and also websites where the rich give you money for free. Yes, while I do not encourage begging on my channel, it's not something that it's not something that I endorse, but I understand some people actually need money for real. Some people actually need money to augment their medical expenses, or some people have students loans, or some people want to start a business but they don't have the funds to actually carry out these ideas that they have. So yes, it's an amazing way to fund your business. And some people might even want to travel. These websites can give you money for free. Just head on to go over to the websites and then create a profile and tell them what you need money for, why you need the money, and you'll be surprised people will be donating money for you on this website. So yes, there are so many ways to make money, and of course on this channel I'm here to share with you all different ways to actually make money, as well as grants. Yes, grants are free money that you don't have to pay back. If you want to see more of grants videos on my channel, please let me know in the comments. And if you also want to see more ways to make money online, working, whether passive or active, income, making active or passive income, let me know as well on my channel. Of course, I'm serving you guys, I'm working for you guys day and night. So if you need me to do a reset tailored to your specifications, please by all means leave it in the comments. I'm here to serve you you guys. And note that there are no stupid questions on my channel. There are no stupid questions on my channel. Please feel free to ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I remain your girl Mariam. Till I see you again in my next video, keep winning and keep sparkling. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are sweet, you're gorgeous, you're amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go do exploits, and I will see you in my next video. I wish I could give all of you a hug right now. Alright, take care. God bless you. Bye. See you in my next video. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel in case you have not joined this family. Like this video and share. Bye. I love you.